at an interesting and uncommon 18th century guidebook to the Stadhuis of Amsterdam. It's published by Pieter Mortier, a well-known cartographic firm and publishing house in the city. This specific guidebook is bound in what appears to be period wallpaper. It's hand-blocked and it's likely Dutch or German. And what we see after this dedication leaf here is this first fold-out engraved, copper engraved plate, like so, of the old Stadhuis, right there. And then we continue on and we come to this beautiful new building here, which is on Dam Square, and which can be visited today and is absolutely beautiful on the inside. Here it is on the backside view. It has a beautiful globe in the floor, beautiful rooms. It's still used by the Dutch royal family. And here is a floor plan of it. Okay, and at the back, the final leaf here is this register. And so this charming little directory for this building in the center of the city of Amsterdam is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.